everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on our outside to inside middle block, or Pakiso Onoro Maki.
Pakiso Onoro Maki.
One more time, Pakiso.
Pakiso
Onuro
Onuro
Maki.
Maki.
Outside to inside middle block. So it's kind of the twin sister of the last block we just learned. So instead of our block coming from our tummy, it's coming from the outside. So there's not really a stance that we're going to step into at this point. We're going to step into a front or a loading. We're just going to step and perform the block. So he's going to bring this up here. This is a load variation 1, and he's going to step forward and he's going to bring it across right into the middle. And we have a second load variation 2. We're going to bring it right by the belt, step, and bring it out. Notice has still right in the middle, ends with the pinky side rather than the thumb side this time, and it is protecting the middle of our body. Let's work on the other side. Load number 1, step, and bring it out. Chambering the other hand, very good. And reset. Load number 2, step and bring it out, and reset. The load is both loads are acceptable. It just depends on your style and what your teacher is kind of directing you to do, but both loads are acceptable. From the side, he's gonna look, step, and bring it out. Once more on the other side, ready, load, step, bring it up, very good. And that is our outside to inside middle block, or Pakiso Onuro Maki. Practice what you learned, make it rock.